Hey guys, I want to show you how to fix a blind that's not coming down. So say you've tried it at all different angles, it's not coming down, kind of like this. I'm trying it like all these weird angles, I'm trying more straight down, but it's still not working. The least invasive thing you can do, I'm going to show you first and then go from there. You just take a flathead screwdriver, you come up and see if you can put this between the string, and then there's a little metal bar that should move horizontally back and forth. And you're going to want to see if that metal horizontal kind of like dowel moves more to the right or the right side of the screen. Now, it wasn't able to work when I was trying it. Maybe I wasn't doing it correctly, but first you're going to want to take off this faux trim to get in from the top. This is just held in with these little clips, and I'll show you how to put this back on in the end of the video without help. So these clips just come down like this, and this is what the top looks like. I am using like a 6-foot step ladder, so this helped me look from the top. If you don't have this ladder or aren't able to get it from the top, you can use a smaller ladder and actually take this piece down. It's not too difficult. But looking in from the top, this is what you're going to be looking at. They have some little screws in this baggie, so that's not anything weird or crazy. You just take the flathead screwdriver, and here's what you do. You put it between the 3 ropes here in this little metal dowel, and you just press down, and that should pop. Now what is popping is that little metal dowel went to the right some, and I'll show you. You can now see a gap in between that and the 3 strings, and you could kind of hear the actual blinds dropping down some. So they dropped onto my hand when I did that. That essentially freed up the blinds. So that's what you can do from the top without taking it down. And if you can do that from the bottom, that's even better. You don't have to take off that piece of trim. So again, what I did is I took the flathead between the strings and this little metal dowel piece that goes horizontal. I moved that to the right, and now we're going to come down, and this automatically dropped it, but if it doesn't, you can go ahead and drop it yourself with the string. And again, here's the angle from the bottom. I'm just coming up. I think I actually was doing it incorrect. I had to go to the right of the string and push it up. But anyways, this is how you go ahead and put this piece of faux trim back up by yourself. So you connect one end on the side with the clip, and then with your other hand, you bring it down. So I have it hooked up here. With my left hand, I pulled it down, and it connects onto the top of the blind. And once you do that, you can go to the other side, move your ladder down, and connect the other pieces. I think there were 4 clips on this 2-door system, and I just pushed that down. And actually, when you're done, if it looks weird, you can move this from side to side. Like if it's off where I'm pointing here, you can move that trim side to side without taking off the clips. So that can be very helpful, and you don't have to take off all the clips again. But I hope this video helped, and now we went ahead and fixed this, and I did have to have a taller ladder if I didn't want to take the whole thing down. But I hope this video helped, guys, and go ahead and leave a like and comment if it did help.